In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add different page numbering to different sections of your document. So you have a simple document with section 1, section 2, and section 3. Now the first thing that you need to do is insert your page numbers. So you're going to go on insert, then you're going to select page number. You can select wherever you want to add the page number, right? Then click in the middle of your document to exit the header section. Now the next step is to decide where you want a page numbering to start or stop. So here at the first section, I want a page numbering to start there, right? So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go on layout, then on the breaks option, select the drop down and then select continuous. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other sections. So insert, breaks, continuous. Now the next step is to unlink the page numberings, right? So the reason why we're going to unlink it is when section 1 stops, it doesn't go on to section 2. So you're going to click in your header section, and here where it says link to previous, you're going to uncheck it. Same thing for the other section, uncheck it. So when we do make the page number changes, it's not updating across all 3 sections. Get that? Alright, now the next step is crucial. Do you want to start numbering in each section, or you just want to remove page number? So in this section, if you wanted to remove the page numbering, we could just remove it from the header section, and you'll see that we have number 3 here. But what if we wanted to start this at number 1 instead of number 2? So what you do here is highlight the number, then go on insert, then select page number, then select format page numbers, and then select start at, and then number 1. Now what if you want this page to start at number 1, or this section to start over at number 1, right? So let's double click the header section, then you're going to go to page numbers, then you're going to select format page numbers, and then select start at and enter number 1, then select OK. Now you'll see that section 1 starts at number 1, section 2 starts at number 1, and section 3 starts at number 2. However, if you want to restart section 2 as well, you highlight it, then go on page number, format page numbers, and select start at, and select enter 1, and then select OK. So you'll see that all 3 sections now start at number 1. Now what if we were supposed to add another section? So let's add section 4, and you'll see what happened when we do. So let's enter section 4. Now you see that section 4 starts at number 2. So if we wanted to remove the numbering from the page, the first page of our document, we can easily select it and remove it. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.